Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable sales tax exemption certificate tracking using Avalara, full guide step by step clearly. To enable sales tax exemption certificate tracking using Avalara, start by logging into your Avalara account. Navigate to the settings section found in the main dashboard. Look for the exemption certificates option and click on it. In this section, you will see various options for managing exemption certificates. Select Exemption Certificate Tracking to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to configure your tracking settings. Enable the option for tracking exemption certificates. Next, specify the fields that need to be included for each certificate. These fields may include customer name, certificate number, and expiration date. Once you have customized the fields, save your changes. After saving, return to the Exemption Certificates section. Here you can start adding your existing certificates. Click that Add New Certificate button. Enter the necessary details for each certificate. Be sure to include all required fields you've set up earlier. Review the information for accuracy before saving. Once saved, confirm that the new certificate appears in your list. Next, establish protocols for monitoring expiration dates. Set reminders for you or your team for certificate renewals. Finally, test the tracking feature to ensure it works correctly. You can do this by simulating a transaction with an exempt customer. Verify that the sales tax calculation reflects the exemption. By following these steps, you will successfully enable sales tax exemption certificate tracking using Avalara. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.